Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Measure 8 cups cold filtered water and place 4 tea bags in a pitcher to make a simple cold brew iced tea. This ratio gives medium strength without bitterness. Cover the pitcher and refrigerate. Steep the tea for 8 to 12 hours, which extracts smooth flavor slowly. After steeping, remove the bags and gently press them against the pitcher to release liquid. Then immediately chill the tea before pouring it over ice for serving. Bring 8 cups of water to a boil, then remove from heat and steep 4 tea bags for 3 to 5 minutes to avoid bitterness. Adjust time for strength. If you want sweet tea, dissolve 1/4 cup sugar into 1/4 cup hot water to make simple syrup, then stir into the warm tea so sugar dissolves completely. Let the tea cool to room temperature. Cover and refrigerate until cold, then serve over ice with lemon or mint as desired. When serving, pour tea over a glass half full of ice and add garnishes like a lemon slice, 3 to 5 mint leaves, or a splash of fruit juice to brighten the drink. For sweetening, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or reduce sugar by 25% to taste. Adjust amounts until balanced. Keep leftover tea in a sealed pitcher in the refrigerator and consume within 4 days to maintain fresh flavor and avoid off tastes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.